and teachers. This is the end of 15 days training which we have done in this school. And this training, 5 days was for refresher from grade 4 to 5. And the second one, we have done 10 days, I think, training from first to fifth class. We have learned many things. The master trainers and also supervisors and also headmasters and also for all the teachers that they were coming to classes regularly. In case of any mistakes, we give apologize from master trainers and also education supervisors. In these trainings, in first 5 days trainings, we have learned from 4 to 5. We have learned many things. We refresh all the things. In the second wave, 10-day trainings, we learned the methods of lecture, the methods of teaching. We should apply this teaching, these methods at school. And next year, I give advice to you. And the next year, the society will apply, and the UNHCR will apply these methods on all teachers. You should learn many things. We should not be happy that we have done trainings. I think the training